Our IGBO personality of the week is Àjà Nwachukwu. Àjà Welele was a prominent Nigerian educationist who made significant contributions to the development of Nigeria's education sector. He served as Nigeria's first indigenous Minister of Education from 1958 to 1965, during a critical period when Nigeria was gaining independence. He is particularly known for advocating free primary education and improving the quality of schools in Nigeria, aiming to enhance literacy and education opportunities for all Nigerians. Nwachukwu's tenure as Minister of Education laid the groundwork for many of the educational reforms that followed in Nigeria. Nwachukwu spearheaded the establishment of the University of Lagos, UNILAG, as well as federal government colleges in different parts of the country. He facilitated the establishment of the federal government colleges, FGC, Oposi, as one of the first 3 unity schools in Nigeria. The other 2 were FGC Warri and FGC Sokoto. He died in his country home, Oposi Okwo, Hozara, a local government area of Ebonyi State,
February 27, 2002. His son, Dr. Igwe Àjà Nwachukwu, also served
as Minister of Education from 2007 to 2008 under the brief administration of President Umaru Musa Yar'Adua.